Hey friends, it's Joe with joedoessolar.com. I've been wanting to do this video for a little while. I frequently get asked, all the other solar reps, they just, they go knock on doors, they run appointments. You've got a website. When, I look at all of the different topics and the videos on the website, like, why are you doing this? The short answer is I'm doing this for you. Obviously, I'm making a living doing it as well, but as a retired fraud examiner, what is going on in the solar industry and to a large degree is just despicable. Um, whether or not it's legal or not, in some cases, is another question, but it is highly unethical at best. And if you look at every video I have, it's to protect you from getting burned. If you look at the way that I do business, I got a lot of customers like, well, why should I even, buy a solar array from you? You're not even the installer. You're right. I am not a solar installer. I am a solar consultant. I'm a solar consultant that has built a business around several other really, really good solar businesses, ones that I've vetted, ones that I know do good work, ones that I can sleep at night knowing that if I told you they're going to do something when we met, that they're really going to do it, that they're going to follow through. Deep dives into, their integrity and their work body. These are all the things that just drive a consumer crazy about trying to, nail down a good solar company. It's probably the most frustrating thing. I mean, you can sit with appointments. You may get a 17-year-old kid. May get some high pressure sales guy. Who's really looking out for you? I am. I want to be that guy. The way that people are sometimes taken advantage of in the solar industry is bad for the industry. It's bad for what we're trying to accomplish. We're trying to do something better for our environment. We're trying to get a leg up on the utility company. We're all trying to win. I love to see people win. That's what this website's about. That's what I'm about. And that's all I want to help you do. I'm hoping to earn your business and trust. If there's anything I do to help, just hit me up. Take care.